Go around your neighborhood, take care of everybody. We saw people do this constantly during Hermine, and they did a great job taking care of people. We all have to work together to make sure we don't lose one life. Just remember, this is a potentially catastrophic storm. Each individual, 3 days of water, 3 days of food, medication, battery-powered radio, battery backups, fully charged cell phones. Once you lose power, you will not be able to recharge your cell phone. Your cell phone might be your only contact with somebody else or your only way of getting information.
Ham radio.
Again, if Matthew directly impacts Florida, destruction could be catastrophic, and you need to be prepared. We are preparing for the worst, but hoping for the best, and we're not going to take any chances. I hope no one in the state takes any chances. Florida knows how to prepare, and everyone must take this seriously. Do not take any chances, and do not wait. Be ready now. Know your evacuation zone. If you anticipate you're going to have to evacuate, don't wait until the traffic's up.
Hello and welcome, everyone. We got hit by Hurricane Matthew, not to be confused with Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John, just Hurricane Matthew. So I'm going to show you around a little bit at what we do when the power is out and there's nothing to do except, when you got a generator. Right, guys?